How to add videos in Tinder. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to add videos in your Tinder account, giving your potential matches a more dynamic and engaging view of who you are. To begin, open your Tinder application on your device. Once you are on the main page, click on that human icon at the right corner below to access your profile. On your profile, locate the pencil icon just above your profile picture. Click on it to enter the editing mode. To add a video, click on the plus icon. This will present you with options. Choose Upload Loop. Now select the video you want to add to your Tinder account. After selecting the video, you will see the option Move to in front of my profile below. If you want to showcase this video prominently on your profile, toggle the button to enable it. If not, leave it turned off. Once satisfied, click on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully added a video or loop to your Tinder account. If you wish to add more videos, simply repeat the process. Enhance your profile by showcasing your personality through dynamic videos. This not only makes your profile more interesting but also provides a unique glimpse into your life. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.